Brad Williams, Excel primed, show all text before the last comma. Old school, look at the layout. If you started at the first tutorial and you read the narrative, you took a look at the anatomy, did a little bit of work, you were able to visually see each step, then this should be a piece of cake. Because we're going to take a look here, excluding the if error and no second comma. We're going to use a left find substitute, blend substitute, and we're going to produce the text before the last comma. Here, we're going to exclude 1.1 mil along with the comma and the space. We did this with text before and text after. Here's old school, it's backup. Suggest you, as I've said in the last 5 tutorials, this is a backup. Work through this. Take a look at my other tutorials. Study this. Spend a little bit of time, I know. It's difficult. No ifs, ands, or buts. This is something that is going to take a little bit of concentration, but if you work it out the first time, you're going to see the integration is pretty straightforward. Practice, practice, practice. Keep practicing this stuff. Brad Williams, Excel Prime.